Hey guys, just Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing outside our adorable new listing. This one is 12 Mallard Circle in Tariffville, Connecticut. It is a wonderful sun-drenched townhouse with 2 bedrooms, 1.5, remodeled and updated baths. This has all hardwood floors, just lovely. New stainless Frigidaire appliances over the last 5 years. Nice private deck. I love this unit. Nice, bright and clean. 2019 new roof, 2019 new heat pump and AC, 2012 new water heater, remodeled full bath upstairs in 2018, and the downstairs half bath has been remodeled as well. Freshly painted throughout in 2019 and so many wonderful features. Can you hear the birds here? It's just lovely. You're close to local shopping, highways. The airport is only 10 minutes away and near the river. If you like kayaking, fishing, hiking, there's tons of great trails. This is it. Give us a call at 860-325-2484. You even have your own private garage with extra storage too. This one won't last long. You can also visit our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.